Today I have a doll here that has a loose legs, and this is a fashionista doll from 2009. So first that I do, I cut the old garter that attached to her legs, both of her legs. And by the way, I'm so sorry about my English. I'm not really that good. So here we are. Okay, there you go. Next, we need a new garter to replace the old one. About the length of the garter that you needed, it's up to you. The longer, the better. Next up, you need to attach the garter. I use tweezers to make the work easy. And after that, I connect it to the other leg. Then you must pull the garter to make it tight. You tie the both ends like a knot. And this is the result. At least she's not loose anymore and she's working fine. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you again.